Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-1 Fastback. Has the 5-liter V8, the 10-speed automatic, a Whipple Supercharger, Recaro seats, the handling package, Mach-1 stripes, active exhaust, and is painted in iconic silver metallic with the ebony cloth interior. All right, we'll start here at the back. So we got the trunk lid open. There's our trunk lid. Inside the trunk, it's all lined. You can see it's a nice, spacious trunk capacity on these Mustangs. So you can fit quite a bit of items in here. I'll lift it up here. We got the tire inflator in there with the tow hook, and you got the extra storage around there as well. All right, we'll close up the trunk lid and we'll zoom out. There's your roof. You can see the antenna there. You can see the beautiful paint. And then we have the Mach-1 rear spoiler. It's got this nice dark tarnished finish with the high wicker there. As we step back, you're going to see the blacked out tail panel with the Mach-1 in the center, LED sequential tail lights, and then we have the active exhaust system down below, and you can see those really large tips. So you can open and close the valves to make it loud or quiet, and this Mustang sounds wonderful with the exhaust open. All right, we'll make our way to the wheels here. So again, the Mach-1 comes with these unique dark tarnished finish, and it's got brand new Michelin tires all the way around. We just put these on to replace the track tires, so it just gives it more streetability. It's got a 315/30 ZR19 in the rear, the performance disc brakes, and we have the red calipers in on this as well. We'll show you the front wheel here. So right off the hop, you're going to notice how large those front brakes are. Those red calipers say Brembo on them as well. The front tire size is a 305/30 ZR19, so we got staggered wheel pattern, 19s all the way around. All right, let's make our way to the interior next. So you're gonna see the black door panels here. We got the power locks, windows here. Here's your door release, and we got the nice ambient lighting there. And then we have the nice stitching there. We got the nice cloth here to match the seats. Here's our dash over here. As you can see, nice and clean. You can see the beautiful gauges there. The Mach-1 chassis plate there with a unique chassis number. So it is an authentic Mach-1. We do have the books in there. And here is our door jambs. We got the Mach-1 kick plate down below. We'll show you back here. The rear seat there. So again, premium cloth seats. Great design with the gray stitching. Down below, you're going to see the premium carpeted mats. And then here is your seat here. Again, the Recaro seats, so nice upgrade there for a track car. And it says Recaro embroidered. And look at that, what a great looking seat. All right, we'll close up the door here. We'll start back here, show you that profile, that spoiler. You can see that beautiful finish there. Coming up here, there's your antenna. We got the tarnished mirrors as well, signals built in, body colored door handles. You can see how great those wheels look from this angle here. Down below, you're gonna see that unique black and red stripe down the side there. You got also have the rocker a piece down as well. Mach-1 on the side there. I'm just gonna stand here, try to get a good angle here and give it a wave here. You can see the paint is like a mirror finish, and don't forget this is silver against a white wall, so it looks great. Down below, you're gonna see the unique front spoiler down on the Mach-1. So the Mach-1, of course, gets all the aerodynamic package, the blacked out grille, more tarnished finishes, and you can see the faux fog lights there, LED projector headlights. And then here is our hood here, so the hood liner, and then here's our engine. So it's the 5-liter Coyote V8 engine from the factory, 480 horsepower. Now this one has the additional Whipple Supercharger, as you can see here, so it's pumping out a little bit more. According to the Whipple site, it makes 765 horsepower to the flywheel, so massive power increase there. And this one has the 10-speed automatic transmission. All right, we'll close up the hood here. Just get that on there. Close up the hood. We'll step back. So this car's already been polished. So we did a 5-stage polish on it, so you can see how great it looks. So it's got this performance hood, so you get the faux scoops there, and it also has the hood stripe here, the Mach-1, the black with the red, and then the nice matte finish in the center. All right, over here are wheels. And the last one there. And then back to our door panels here. So we do have a blind spot monitor in the mirror there. Power locks, mirrors, and windows. You see the nice ambient lighting there. Here is our dash. Back to our door jambs, the Mach-1 kick plate. And we'll show you the rear seat there. And show you the pedals. You see the nice lighting there, the mats. And then again, the Recaro seats. So look at this, what a great looking seat. Just as you would expect to see in a race car. All right, well, sit down here, close up the door. So we got the nice finish here with the headlight controls. Here we got a pocket there to store stuff. Trunk release there. Down below, over on this side here, we do have a handle for manual, telescopic, and tilt steering wheel. Over here we got your turn signals with your lane keeping there, lane keep help assist. Then we got your paddle shifts over here, so upshift, downshift, so they're kind of tucked away nicely there. Here is your volume control, so audio, cruise control down there, and then we have your extra keys here. So you got your Mustang, which is all your performance, your audio, arrow keys there with Bluetooth, and we got your rain sensing wipers. All right, so push button start. Let's start it up. All right, it sounds awesome right on startup here. All right, we'll zoom out. We can check out this wheel. So a nice leather wheel here, slight contours here. I got the nice stitching here, the Mustang in the center there. You can see all the gauges here, the buttons on the steering wheel. Coming into the dash, full digital cluster. So you got your tach and then your speedometer. Check out the mileage, only 5,699 kilometers. All right, we'll hit the pony button here. So we got your exhaust mode. So let's just go here, exhaust mode. So you got different modes here. Quiet, really quiets it down. We'll put it in sport for now. You got your track apps. So you can see all the functions here. You can change it. Here's gauges. So you can change your gauge layout there. Color appearance as well, and then come up here. We got the universal garage door opener and the visor. Here's your light sensitive mirror. Down below we got the nice gauge cluster here, so we got the extra gauges in the Mach-1, so the oil pressure and your vacuum gauge there. Down below you're going to see the 8-inch touchscreen, so we have your audio, climate, so dual zone climate control. We do have your apps there, and then we got your settings here. So let's see, we have those settings there. Let's throw it in reverse. You can see we got reverse camera. Down here are your audio buttons, and then we have your climate here. Down below your start button, and we got these nice toggle switches here. So hazards, traction control, your steering wheel, and your mode selector there. Again, your 10-speed automatic shifter here. We got your manual e-brake stand handle there. 2 cup holders. Here's your console. Lift that up. Put my hand in there so you can see the depth. Media port there with a 12-volt socket there. All right, we'll open up the door next. I got the headlights on. Now let's give it a few reps. Here we go. One more time. Wow, it screams. Let's close that door here. Make our way to the front. Show you those LED headlights on. Look at this. What a great looking Mustang.